In this video, we are going to see how we can transfer the Google Chrome bookmarks to another PC or machine. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. So what you can do is just open up the Google Chrome. If you're signed in with your profile, just go to the top right hand corner and click on this three dots. And from here, we will choose Bookmark and List. And from here, you will see Bookmark Manager. So here it is, Open Bookmarks Manager. Click on that. And from here, within this bookmark area, you will see these three dots that is under the Chrome URL. You will see another three dots. Click on that. And from here, you click on Export Bookmarks. You export it to any specific location. In this case, I'll just export it on desktop. It's an HTML file. Click on that, save it. And once you actually got this file, what you need to do is you need to transfer it to a USB drive or maybe send it via email to another machine and then just download it there. So once we have this downloaded on the new computer, whether from Google Drive, whether from email or the USB flash drive, what we will do is open up the browser in the other computer. And we'll go to the same area in the other computer, that is click on this three dots in Google Chrome and head over to the bookmarks and list and click on Open Bookmarks Manager. Click on that. And this time from the three dots, we will select Import Bookmarks. From here, we'll choose our bookmarks that you need to import. In the other computer, click Open. And now our bookmarks are successfully imported. So that's about it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.